The 4K look bomb outside. Like, look at that 4K quality. Y'all, I just wanted to show you my packages that I got from the post office. Like, look at this. This bag is full of packages. From like product packaging and all kind of packages. I'm gonna do an unboxing when I get home. Obviously, y'all probably will be seeing this clip when I put it inside the video, but yes, it says don't be afraid to be great. See yes. But y'all, the post office lady told me, she said every time she see my PO box number, she be like, I hate you. But yes, I'm a PO box opening, and PO box opening says AliExpress at Amazon opening / business entrepreneur inventory opening. Get ready. So yeah, I just came to my post office. It said a bus supposed to be coming, but I don't see it unless I got the wrong address. But I just came from my post office. This is how I look, no makeup on, looking hella crazy. But you guys, I got my bag full of goodies. Like, this thing is full to the brim. I'm so happy I brought this bag, because normally I tell myself to bring a bag, but I normally don't bring a bag, and I gotta carry all this with my hand. Oh well, no, not technically, because they do have like bags there at the post office, but yes, like I'm so happy. And I'm finna do an opening eat. But yeah, you guys, so excited to get my business started. Like, hopefully it drops in May. Like, I'm hoping. Like, we got a lot of stuff going on, you know, life situations, but I'm not gonna get too much into that. But yeah, I went on a bus and I feel cute though. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is wiltashasippio, but you can just call me TayTheySay, and all that. I wish I had the nails, clicky click. So I'm here to do a, I want to say, inventory unboxing, AliExpress haul, PO box opening, whatever you want to call it. And excuse any noise in the back, whether it's a TV or my man's cooking. So I went to the post office, but this is the bag. It's full. It's like full of goodies. Like, let me show y'all. To the brim, you know what I'm saying? And it says, don't be afraid to be great. I just like that. Don't be afraid to be great. And I got this for $1 at Dollar Tree. So it's the same thing on the other side. So you want to go ahead and open all these packages. And if you like unboxings or inventory and packages and all that good stuff, then you're going to like this video. So keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. And, you know, go ahead and comment something nice below. Like a, I don't know, emoji face with a heart. So this is the first thing I got. And these are my sample valves for my oils. Ah! Yeah, I opened some for perfume first. That's exciting. Dang, they bubble wrap this thing to a T. So this is how it looks. Oh my gosh. Yay. These are 1 milliliter valves. And I got, if I'm not mistaken, 50 of these. They're 1 mil. They're really cute. So, yay. Hey, come look at it. Ain't they cute? Yeah, they are cute. They're cute. And then you wanna know what Ari is? My baby girl, she just walking around with her daddy to me, to the TV. And the next one we got is this green packet. Oh, you guys, I love opening packages. I love watching people open packages. I love getting mail. I like seeing the mailman even when I'm not getting something. I got a problem. Oh, these so cute. This is another thing for my perfume. Oh my God, yay. I'm so happy. These are the 5 milliliters lip gloss tubes, actually. Oh my God, yay. Babe, look. They so nice. They're the perfect size. Ah! So this are the stoppers. It's what you put in it after you actually put the product inside of it. And this is the lip gloss tube. Oh my God. And I believe these are 50 of them. Oh my God, look at it. Ain't it cute? Oh. And so if you guys didn't know, and this is like the first video you watched of mine, I am starting my own perfume company. I will be coming to you guys with like entrepreneur vlogs and things like that. So this is like the packaging for my larger items. So, and then this is the front. I just got the gold roses because my colors are gold, black, and white. Babe, look, they fit so perfectly. Oh God, yay! Look at that. That is so cute, you guys. And that's gonna be so cute. That's gonna be so nice. Yay, I'm so happy with that. Let's go to the next one. Oh, I think this is a phone case because it says mobile phone. So I had like 3 or 2 more cases coming, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah. Oh, they're so cute. Wait, let me see your phone. I film with my phone, so I'm gonna try to test them with my boyfriend's phone so you guys can see. Thank you, babe. This is the one, and this is how it looks. I got the rose gold one, so imagine if it was rose gold instead of silver. But ain't that just the cutest thing? Ain't she beautiful? Look at my melanin sister looking sexy. You know what I mean? Okay. Num. I got one more. These some good quality phone cases. I don't understand why people even spend $5-10 on phone cases when you can get this for like a couple cents, 89 cents, free shipping from China, and it's just as good as quality, sometimes even better. So this is this one. So beautiful. Melanin Sisters. I love the afro because I love my afro. I don't wear it a lot because it's a lot to maintain, but I love natural hair beauties, dark medium skin beautifuls. Oh, so beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. So far, I'm so happy with everything I got. Well, of course, stuff like you buy, right? But sometimes you never know what to expect when you order stuff from China. I hope the quality be great. Oh, my samples. They're so cute. So here is the sample bottles. They're really baby and tiny. And these are the large bottles. Oh, and the gold matched perfectly. I was afraid the gold would have been off. They come with stoppers as well. So I believe I ordered 50 of these, about 25, something around there. So here is the little baby. This is 1.2 milliliters. Ain't cute. And this is the stopper. And I know you guys like perfume. If you like a perfume, it's a secret. It's a little something, little concoction I done came up with. You guys are gonna freaking love it. It's gonna be so awesome. It's so great. I'm reinventing the whole way you can make perfume. Let's just say that, okay? Okay. This is a big one and these are babies.
That's saucy right there. I like that.
That's nice. I'm so happy.
Too much sauce.
Too much sauce. We got a whole bag full, y'all. Like, this video might be long, but again, if you like me, then you like opening packages. To anybody that don't like opening packages, then you need to get on the game, you guys, because it's just so fun. Oh, this is my little tripod for my camera. Oh, so cute. You guys know they got like the big one of these, of course. But I bought one of the little ones. Y'all look, he made me French toast. So looks so good. Tiara, you want to buy my French toast? That's good, babe. That's good, y'all. Get your man know how to cook. Delicious. So this is the tripod to hold my phone, and it comes with a piece like this. So you just screw it on like such. Or you can do it like this way, or you can do it like this way. And then you're supposed to be able to bend it like so. And then you can hold your phone with this way too, which is pretty cool. Like, that is so useful. And it feels so sturdy. I like that. The quality feels really good. And you can tighten it. Like, if you don't want it to move too much. I really like that. I plan on using this for when I want to do like office vlogs and stuff. And I don't want to use my big tripod that I'm using now. I can just use this. So you guys, well good. My name is Tay. You can call me TayTheySay. And but here's the next package. It's a smaller baby one. Oh yeah, I got sample containers to sample them from companies. Like, you know, like from AliExpress and Alibaba and things like that. You can like order samples to test it. So this are powder containers. I believe this is the 10 milliliter one, if I'm not mistaken. I ordered like different sizes. I ordered the 10, the 30, and the 50. So this, I believe, is a 10. And it looks really good. The quality looks amazing. So when I make powdered products, so this like little powder thing. The only thing I want is the little powder puffs, but I don't want no any kind of powder puffs because they got some any kind of powder puffs, and I don't want no any kind of powder puffs. So, of course, black top, it'll have my sticker, then, you know, the ingredients. Like, y'all, this is so nice. Like, and it's so, it feels like such good quality. I believe it's like a hard plastic. Really nice. So we got another big package. It feels like another one of those ones. So let's see. I ordered one of them. Like, I think I ordered for 3 different companies just to test them out. So this is this one. Okay, so this one feels like better quality than this one. So if I was to get like the different sizes, I might go with this company. But this is this one. As you can see the difference. I mean, this one isn't bad. It just feels a little more lighter. This one got a little more weight to it. But again, that's why you order samples. So it got a little strainer thing in the inside. But this is pretty good. They both were very affordable, so no more than $1, I believe. But I believe this is the 10 and this is the 30. That's really cute. I really like that. So we got another one that say gift box and bags. I have no idea what this would be. Y'all, I'm just going through it because I'm super excited. Like, I'm so excited. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. They got this. Babe, these bags is the one I ordered. Oh, they kind of just rubber band this bad boy up. I think these are the ones that gonna fit these. I hope so. I'm excited. So this is what it fit my sample bottle. So let's see. No, it's still too big. I mean, too small. No. I ordered these to fit the sample bottles, like how I do the big bottles with the sample bottles in there and things like that. But it look like this might not fold over all the way, so I might have to use some like washi tape or something, like just gold washi tape, or maybe a gold little sticker just to stick it down. Then it'll probably be like perfect. So cute. I hope it fits it. 4 gold packs of samples, 10 each, so I believe this is 50. Okay, let's see what's next. Let's see what's next. Hey, I'm hoping I found my necklace. What the hell the necklace is at? So this is another place that I bought full size 5 ml bottles. Cause I wanted to test them because again, you don't want to just stick with one person, cause you never know how much you're gonna like them. If you get what I'm saying. Okay, no, I like the other ones better. Oh yeah, most definitely. Oh no, these are spray bottles. What am I talking about? So these are the 5 ml spray bottles that I got. These are the spray bottles. These are 5 mils. They feel very heavy duty. They're made of glass. So look at that. That is so cute. Yeah, they feel very like I like the way they feel. Don't feel too cheap. Like that cheap shit that you get from $5 Dollar Tree. No, no, no. It feels very nice. So we got 2 paper packages here. We got a little one. It's a necklace. Oh, my necklace. Yay, I wonder which one it is. Oh, which one is it? Oh, it's the one that said my daughter's name with her fingerprint. Oh, not the whole fingerprint, you know. We don't need people going crazy. Oh my God, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I was gonna order her one with like me and her dad's fingerprint, but I wanted to test one out first before I get hers. That is so nice. Like, look at that. That's her name, Tiari. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna put it on right now. That is so nice, babe. You like it? I'm so happy. I'm sorry, y'all. This box opening is one of the best, y'all. I love my necklace. I love my necklace. I love my necklace. Ah, it's so cute, y'all. Oh my God. So this is the 50 ml one. So this one feel more like this quantity. Like these two feel the same. This one feel a little thicker. I'm not sure if it's because of the company or just because of the size. But we got 10, 30, and 50. And these feel nice though. I mean, this one look heavier. I would prefer them to feel like this, but these are still nice, y'all.
Today, I'm staying home now. That's why, you know, I have to know so I can get there whatever.
So the size that I want to offer for my powders will be 10, 30, and 50 to start off with. I might offer a bigger size, but for now, these are the sizes.
I was 30 to get there, so like if I have to open, I already know what time I have to leave to get there for opening. But you know how it is.
I'm so freaking happy, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. I'm excited. I'm so excited to start my business, my perfume business. It's going to be off the chain, y'all. I'm bringing quality products, not no everything. And I'm not doing the everything that everybody doing with the eyelashes and the hair and all of that crap.
To the metro rail and I can take off from there.
We doing this, okay? We doing perfume. We doing her powders. We doing just something different.
You know how you make this. You know,
we have 7 more packages. That is so good. Where's how you have a scissors? So we're gonna go ahead and open this one. It's a mobile phone case, so I guess it's another phone case. So this is how she looks. Again, beautiful lady, loving herself, wearing her crown, as she should. Beautiful, love it, glorious, gorgeous. Oh, another phone case. Oh, I forgot I ordered this one. This one is the 100K one because one day on YouTube, I shall reach this goal. I got a lot of phone cases. Okay, yeah, so these are my other spray bottles that I ordered. Boy, they be bubble wrapping these things down, boy. That's how you gotta do it, especially when you shipping glass, let me tell you. So this is the roll-on bottles. Is these roll-on bottles? Wait, did I order gold top? I could have ordered black top. Hold on. Did I order gold top? I don't remember ordering gold top. I gotta check that, because I could have sworn I ordered black top. I could have sworn. But these are the roll-on bottles, and these are spray. These are fat. They should make them like this more long. Then that's how the roller look. Wait, and they're all 5 milliliters. That is the size I'm starting with. I do plan on like upping my sizes. Oh, this is my other necklace. Oh, I love the way this necklace came. She did a good job. I was communicating a lot with this seller to make sure everything was really nice. This one says my name actually. So this one has my name. It says my name Wiltasha. I hope that's right. So this says Wiltasha. Got little hearts for the dots for the eyes, and it's a vertical one. Ain't it cute? This how I plan on wearing them, babe. This how I plan on wearing them. But that's cute, right? So cute. I'm happy with them. And I really like the box that came in. Like, look at that. They got a little white for you. Like, that's so nice. Like, look at that. They did that. They did the thing, okay? They did that, okay? What is this? Oh, this is my pillowcase. Oh, it's a pillowcase. I thought it was an actual pillow, baby. Remember I asked you which one I should get? It's a lady with a hair wrap. Oh, they gave me a free bracelet. Oh, cool. Yay. That is awesome. Oh! You alright? She already just busted her butt, you guys. I wish I could have caught that on camera. She alright, though. Oh, yeah. Look at my beautiful queen. Wearing her hair wrap, wearing her. Oh, that's cute. It's more orangey than I thought, but I still like it. But do you like it? Now I just gotta buy a pillow for it. So, 2 more, y'all. Which one should I open first? Cardboard, my man said, so we're gonna go ahead and do the cardboard. So we got it open. And you're gonna go ahead and just slide that bad boy out. Oh, I like how they put more of it at the bottom. They gave me a measuring scoop. Measuring spray thing like to test it, and then they gave me the little funnel. I'm really happy they gave me that funnel. These are sample ones, I believe. So these are the sample ones. Some say so cute. They little black little sample ones. These are 2 milliliter sprays. I couldn't find 1 milliliter, so I got 2 milliliter ones, and they come in a set of 50 sprays. Little cute baby sample. Now we got the last one. Yep, these are the full-size bottles of the spray. So I got the full-size bottles of my spray bottles, 5 milliliters. They are glass. None of them are broken, so that's a good thing. But yeah, you guys, that's the end of the thing. I got like almost all of my packaging for my full-size products and my packaging for my website, my perfume and stuff. So I'm super, super happy. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating. Got it in this video. Hope you got it in another one. Y'all be good, be easy. Subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, I'm out.